Create employee exit interview survey in Excel. Create chart from selection. Select the Likert Scale Chart. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Likert Scale Chart is created successfully. Likert Scale Chart data requirements. 1 categorical data column that contains the questions. 1 numerical data column that contains the Likert scale values. 1 numerical data column that contains the record count values. Likert Scale Chart can be created with multiple scales, that is from 2-point scale to 10-point scale. ChartExpo gives you the ability to chart multiple questions in one Likert Scale Chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. Numerical data column that contains the Likert scale values. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Numerical data column that contains the record count values. Important: Likert Scale Chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Select the Likert Scale Chart. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Likert Scale Chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Settings button to change the settings properties. Click on the Scale Type section. Customize the chart by selecting a different scale type as needed. Click on the Apply button. The chart has been successfully displayed with 3 scales. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.